Let's take a look at what happened with Tesla today. So we closed at 349.60, down $2.07, 0.59% down. Post-market seemed to be down by $4.15 at 335.46. So where does that leave us? Yesterday was a nice day. Tesla was closing higher than 346.69. This is a previous high that we did on August 12th. We closed above. This is indication that the buyers are slowly winning. They are pushing the sellers a little bit higher. Today, if we go on the 1 hour chart, today we have reached 355, which was our first target. We have reached 355. And then we came back a little bit. Temporarily, we stayed above 350 for several hours, and now we are seeing a little bit of weakening, and we should be opening tomorrow maybe a little bit above 346.69, which is right in line with the moving average. Right here, the moving average oftentimes serves as a bounce. So it's possible that tomorrow we can have a bounce because we are going to be retesting 346.69 and because we are going to meet with the 21-day moving average. And if we take a look at that moving average, this is the moving average right here. Once we have the stock break above, see, you see here the stock had some problems closing above, but once it did, it stayed above and we have been bouncing above. Look at this right here. Nice bounce on the moving average until we failed. And this was a bearish trend and we came down ever since. So right now we are above the 21-day moving average right here. So it's possible that we are going to have a bounce. In terms of the indicators, stochastic is good, DMI is good, and our reversal indicator are also good. This is the current bullish trend that Tesla is in. This is the bullish trend right here. And yes, it's possible that we come down to 326 and still be in that trend. There's no problem with that. Of course, this is not what we would like to happen. We would like Tesla to start to go higher faster. But as I said, before we break above 372, this is going to be hard to do because we have lots of resistance that we need to break. We have broken 346.69. This is one of them. We have 360.65. We have 372. So we have all of that to break. Buying on the 1 hour chart means that you need to suffer a little bit of a pullback. We could be pulling back down to 335.73 easily. This is not ideal, but let's not forget the alternative is buying and holding. And when you buy and hold, what is going to happen? Your Tesla share goes to $400 in November of 2021 and then goes to 100 in 2023. Let's not forget that. This is divided by 4. Divided by 4. And what we are talking about here is maybe having a pullback from 350 to 326. This is a lot different. In terms of indicators on the daily chart, stochastic is still good, the DMI is still good, and the reversal indicator is still on. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. VIX is maintaining itself low, so this is fantastic. We love this. Let's take a look at the stock indices now. Dow Jones, we had a break above 45,210. We are maintaining ourselves above. Look at this. It has been 4 days. This is nice. Dow Jones is closing significantly higher. It could not break above that line right now, and now we are breaking. This is a good sign. SPX, we are into a small congestion zone. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Look at this. It's trying to break and stay above 68.41. We achieved it today, but we caved in on the last candle of the day. We had a little bit of a cave-in. So we should likely try again maybe tomorrow because again here we are above the 21-day moving average. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ is having a hard time breaking above 23,595. You see, it is getting close though. Look at the lows though. Look at the lows. They are going higher and higher. This is what we have right here. This is the pattern that we have. If we break 23,595, this is going to be indication that all of the stocks or the 100 stocks inside of NASDAQ are finally moving. Russell, this is very good. We are staying above 23.25. We love this. We are above the 21-day moving average. This is trending up. This is great. Let's take a look at the heat map of the markets. Yeah, mainly black. Things did not move super fast today. We have some red, we have some green, but it's mainly black. People were basically waiting for the earnings of Nvidia, which happened tonight. And the earnings are pretty good. We have a beat. We have a 4% beat on earnings. We have a 1% beat on revenue. And we should be opening. A few minutes ago, we could see where this would be opening. And it would be opening at around 175 or something. So maybe still above the 21-day moving average, a little bit below than 180, but still into our bullish channel. This is the bullish channel right here. We are still bullish. So yes, even if we have a little bit of a pullback, it's not too bad because the trend is telling us that we should be bouncing either on the 21-day moving average or on the bullish channel resistance. And then we would be gaining back 180.31. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. The Boring Company is finally testing Tesla's full self-driving in its Las Vegas tunnel. This is great. They used to employ drivers in order to take people in those tunnels. So having full self-driving in those tunnels is just the best idea in the world. In summary, Tesla, we still need to be patient. 372 is not yet here, but we are having signs that we are moving higher and higher. We are still above the 21-day moving average. We are still into our bullish channel. Let's not forget that the stock market zigzags and we are making higher lows. This is what is important. This is the rate of ascent of the stock. If we keep that same rate of ascent, at the worst, staying into this bullish channel, we should be breaking 372 right here somewhere in October. And guess what? We have an earnings call October 15th. So it's really possible that we are going to have to wait for that earnings call in order for the stock to finally break that 372. In the meantime, Tesla is still showing us signs that it's going higher than the previous highs. And next stop on the daily chart is 360.65 right here. This is where we caved in. Let's hope that we can reach this tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.